Assalamualaikum. Hello everyone. My name is Ubaid Ali. I am Chief Executive Officer of our Center for Quality Sciences.
Assalamualaikum. Greetings. I am Ruhi Banu Ubaid, Principal Executive Officer of my Center for Quality Sciences. Hope all of you are good.
We both are professionals of pharmaceutical sciences by education
And have developed in quality and regulatory sciences of pharmaceuticals and biologics by training and experience.
Beside our private services within and outside Pakistan, it is about 2 long decades that we have served Government of Pakistan as civil servant or different position as regulator, where we have succeeded to influence in landmarking decisions and create a paradigm shift in the thinking process of regulatory agency.
Whether it is a matter of common technical document or post-marketing submissions or pharmacy services or identification of critical deficiencies in the system or shelf life affairs or enforcement of good manufacturing practices standards. We are thankful to God and humbly obliged of acceptance and appreciation all across.
We both have certainly crossed cooling times now to avoid potential professional conflict of interest as private citizens.
Thank you for maintaining kind relations and regular coordination with us in promoting science, innovation and advancement to date.
No matter how difficult time the world faced during COVID, and still COVID is not over. Anyway, Ruhi, what actually we want to share today?
It is nothing but our intentions to extend our services for the advancement and improvement of pharmaceutical supplies from 1st January 2021 with new roles, inshallah.
To demonstrate quality in an environment where standards and expectations are too high is not difficult, but challenging, and requires a lot of knowledge, commitment, and wisdom.
Assuming something correct without evidence and scientific support is a poor degree of consciousness. We have to relate cause with effect. We have to prove it through experiment.
Establish cause and effect relationship. Please remember, if you cannot measure, it means it is not trustable. That is nothing but promotion of uncertainty. And here we cannot afford it in the competitive world. We have a narrow corridor to walk in.
Because we are dealing with life of someone, we will inshallah be dealing and assisting in reviewing the facility design
And assistance in good manufacturing practices compliance audits.
We will be offering comprehensive good manufacturing practices trainings and
Supplier development and audits.
quality system support. And last but not the least, advice on regulatory submissions.
The way we will try to keep the wheel moving on by contributing in the development of pharmaceutical sciences.
Our new stage as private citizens is Center for Quality Sciences, where we will be engaging subject matter experts for the purpose.
Center for Quality Sciences will be developing human resource with each and every project for strengthening the knowledge economy of our future generation.
Hope to see greater role of Pakistan for manufactured pharmaceutical products in the global healthcare system.
See you in any mutual learning exercise soon.
Thank you for being with us. Wishing all the best.